Alright, this is some of the stuff we found magnet fishing at one bridge in Niagara Falls. We found this and this in the same spot. That was really cool. Now that's a starter pistol, and that's really neat. This is an empty clip. You'll see that in another video. But look at this. Padlock. All sorts of stuff. There we go, let's reorient that. Just non-stop from one spot. Everything just kept coming up. It was so cool. Throw after throw. One at a time, or one on each side of that Kratos magnet. I think I counted either 52 or 55 pieces, even in all. But the padlock cracks me up. If they had their padlock used, they might not have lost all this stuff in the canal. But amazing find, man. Okay, everybody, take care. Have a wonderful day. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell.